Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to fix the issue of not being able to open the Gcash app on your phone. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do to fix this problem is to close and reopen the app. If the app is running in the background, close it. Wait for 10 seconds before reopening the app. Then once you try to reopen the app, see if it works. If it doesn't work, take a second step, which is to check the internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. If it does, restart your device, which is the third step. So once you restart your smartphone or your tablet, wait for the device to boot up completely. Then try reopening the Gcash app again to see if it works. If it doesn't work, then go to step 4, which is to update the Gcash app. Check for updates on Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. If an update is available, download and install the latest version of the Gcash app. Then after doing this, if that doesn't work, then you clear app cache and data. Go to device settings, find the Gcash app in the list of installed apps and clear the app's cache and data to reset the app. If you do not want to update the Gcash app, you can also use step 5 and skip step 4. Step 6. If it doesn't still work out, then you have to uninstall and reinstall the Gcash app. Now, when you reinstall the Gcash app, you reinstall it from Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. If that doesn't still work, then visit the Gcash website and look for the support or help section. Submit a report or contact Gcash support through their official channels. Now, don't forget that you have to have the latest version of the Gcash app installed on your phone or device. Check the Gcash website or social media channels for any maintenance or outage announcements. If none of the above steps work, it may be a more complex issue that requires assistance from Gcash support. Thanks for watching.